Guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change file type in Windows 10. So in order to do this, you have to go to search bar and you're going to search for File Explorer Options. So you have to put Explorer and you go for the options, not the normal Explorer. So click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see this. So what you need to do is you have to actually click on the view part right here. Click on view and you're going to see this under advanced settings. You're going to see hide extension from known file types. Click on this to tick out and you're going to click on OK. So once you click on OK, you're going to click on this. You can see this file right here. This is what we're going to use. So you try to edit the type like this and you're going to actually click on, once you do that, you're going to actually try to add just going to enter that again, and I'm going to just add dot and JPEG and click on enter. So you can see rename. If you change a file name extension, this file might become unusable, so you click on yes and you're going to click on continue, and you can see the file has changed in my Windows 10. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and you can subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.